So today we are going to see the topic logic families. So you must have seen the ICs, integrated circuits, in during the practicals. So here we are going to see the IC families, digital ICs families. So there are various digital ICs available in the market which belong to various types, and these all types are called as logic families. These types are known as logic families. So based on the components and devices used internally, they are classified as follows. So here is the classification. So main classification is bipolar and unipolar digital ICs. So here, depending on the device used, bipolar device is used in the bipolar technology, and in unipolar device is used in the unipolar technology. So which is the bipolar device used? So it is the BJT, and in unipolar MOSFETs are used. So you must have studied in basic electronics that bipolar means the current is flowing due to both the carriers, so it is called as bipolar. And in MOSFETs, the current is due to only one type of carrier, that is either electrons or holes, so it is called as unipolar. So again, the bipolar ICs are classified as saturated and unsaturated. So depending on the region, in which region that device is operated, they are classified as saturated. Means here the transistor BJT is operated in the saturation region and cutoff region. So it is used as a switch in this type. So in saturated there are different types, like RTL means here the resistor and transistor is used, so RTL logic. DTL diode and transistor are used. HTL high threshold logic. DCTL means direct coupled transistor logic. Integrated injection logic, and TTL, that is transistor logic. So these all are the saturated bipolar ICs. So depending on the component they are classified. So second is unsaturated bipolar ICs. So in this, the BJT is not used in the saturation region. So here this increases the speed of the operation. So for high speed applications, this type of ICs are used. So under this there are two types, ECL and Schottky TTL. Then in unipolar, so unipolar, as I have said, that MOSFETs are used. So depending on the type of MOSFET, they are classified as PMOS, NMOS and CMOS. So in CMOS, both P and N channel MOSFETs are used. Next, these logic families, just now we had seen depending on the components they were classified. And here, depending on the components used or fabricated on a single chip, they are classified. So depending on that, there are 4 types of integrations: small scale integration, medium scale integration, large scale integration, and very large scale integration. So in small scale, the number of gates or components used are less than 10 on a single chip. In medium scale, the number of gates are from 10 to 100 gates on a single chip. In large scale, 100 to 1000 gates are fabricated on a single chip. And in very large scale, more than 1000 gates are fabricated on a single chip.